Hi, this is Connecticut personal injury attorney Ryan McKeen here. Today we're going to talk about an offer of compromise. We're going to talk about three things. One, what is an offer of compromise? Two, when can an offer of compromise be filed? And three, what is the effect of an offer of compromise? An offer of compromise is an offer, a pleading that gets filed with the court to settle the case for a specific amount of money. So, for example, if a plaintiff decides that he or she is willing to accept $10,000 to settle his or her case, a $10,000 offer of compromise could get settled with the court. And if the defendant says, yeah, that's a reasonable amount, we're going to pay that $10,000, they can accept the offer of compromise and the case ends. The second thing we're going to talk about is when an offer of compromise can be filed. In a normal personal injury case, a car accident, a dog bite, legal malpractice kind of case, an offer of compromise can first be filed within 180 days, from 180 days from the date the other side was served, from the date the defendant was served. So it can't be filed before 180 days. And this is, that number is 365 days in medical malpractice cases. And the timing of the offer of compromise is really important strategically, because if it's filed before 18 months after the filing of complaint, after the date you filed the complaint, if that offer of compromise is basically filed between six months from service and 18 months from the date of filing, that offer of compromise, if it is rejected, interest at the rate of 8% will apply back it relates back to the date of filing, and that interest is on the amount over of the offer of compromise. So let me explain how that works. Say an offer of compromise is filed for $10,000, and the case the defendant does not accept, and a jury awards $30,000. Well, on that $20,000 difference, 8% interest would apply back to the date of filing. So you can see that kind of an offer of compromise can add a significant amount of money to a case, especially when you start dealing with higher value cases. So an offer of compromise is a very important decision to file, and one that should be discussed with your attorney, and you should have it thoroughly explained to you strategically how to approach it. I know here at Connecticut Trial Firm, we've got a system in place, a process of how we approach these and how we decide on our numbers and when it is that we file it. And I'm not going to disclose that here, but suffice to say, that's the conversation you need to be having with your attorney. Also, an offer of compromise does entitle you, if it's rejected and you go and you get a verdict in excess, to attorney's fees in excess up not to exceed $350. So in any personal injury case, the decision of when, how, and for how much to file an offer of compromise is an important decision, an important strategic decision, and one that you should be well informed about.